Good morning. This is Avni, your host, back with the latest stories from Tech World. Click the subscribe button to stay updated. Spotify is launching personalized soundtracks based on text prompts to help users explore new music genres. The platform's Blend tool employs AI to curate music selections and enhance the user experience. The Gen feature allows up to 32 people to collaborate in real time, fostering shared music discovery and curation. These developments represent disruptive innovations in the music streaming industry, reshaping user experiences and personalization. The integration of AI in Spotify's Blend tool and text prompt-based soundtracks underscores the potential of AI in music curation and collaborative platforms. Nokia has introduced UPI scan and pay functionality to its 2660 flip phone in India, enabling secure digital transactions with a simple button press. The feature is already available in several Nokia featured phones, including the budget Nokia 110 2G phone. The Nokia 2660 Flip features a large 2.8-inch display, hearing aid compatibility, an emergency button, dual 4G SIM cards, VoLTE, and more, priced at Rs 4,499. Apple has updated its app guidelines in China, requiring all apps to be licensed for local users, demonstrating its willingness to comply with China's tightening internet regulations. Apple's strong brand and the popularity of the iPhone 15 may help the company navigate these challenges. Apple accounted for a significant share of Chinese smartphone shipments in the first half of 2023, despite potential regulatory hurdles. Kodak is set to launch its 43-inch Matrix QLED TV in India, featuring a 4K Ultra HD QLED display. The TV comes in various sizes, with the 75-inch variant offering impressive specifications such as 3840 by 2160 resolution, 600 nits brightness, and more. It includes built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, multiple HDMI and USB ports, and supports Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision. The 43-inch variant is expected to launch soon. Apple is reportedly improving its search tool, Pegasus, with generative AI technology, following the footsteps of Google and Microsoft. Pegasus is expected to be integrated into the App Store, macOS and iOS to provide more accurate search results. Apple has been actively hiring new engineers for its machine learning team and making strategic acquisitions to advance its AI and search ambitions. The timing of its search engine launch remains uncertain, but Apple aims to stay competitive in the evolving AI landscape. OnePlus has clarified that it will not produce a flip phone, despite the recent release of the Oppo Find N3, a flip phone by OnePlus sister company Oppo. OnePlus' upcoming foldable device, rumored to be named Open, will run top-end specs with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Hasselblad branded camera hardware. The target audience for the OnePlus Open is business elites, and it aims for a global release, distinguishing it from flip phones. OnePlus and Oppo are collaborating to develop foldables, with the OnePlus Open catering to a global market and the Oppo Find N3 focusing on China. The Apple MacBook Air M1 is now available at an all-time low price of Rs 69,990 on Amazon India, down from its MRP of Rs 99,900. Further discounts are possible when combined with the SBI card offers. The MacBook Air M1 is highly capable, suitable for various tasks, and offers smooth performance even with demanding activities. It is available in 3 finishes: silver, space grey, and gold. This is Avni signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
All you need to know about Big Billion Days. Point number 1, आप 2 से 3 अकाउंट से लॉगिन करके जरूर रखिएगा, क्योंकि बहुत बड़ी सेल होती है और बहुत जल्दी सारे फोन्स निकल जाते हैं। नंबर 2, अगर आपको एक आईफोन मिल रहा है जो आप बजट के अंदर लेना चाहते हो, उसके अंदर बहुत सारी चीज़ आपको देखनी पड़ती है। जैसे अगर आप आईफोन 12 ले रहे हो जो आपको 25 से 30 का मिलने वाला है, उसमें 5G अनेबल नहीं है, और कलर के पीछे मत भागेगा। ये टिप नंबर 3 थी। पॉइंट नंबर 4, आपको अपने क्रेडिट कार्ड वगैरह पहले से अपडेटेड रख। विद इन फ्यू सेकंड्स बहुत सारे यूजर अटेम्प्ट करते हैं बाय करने का, तो बहुत सारी चीजें जल्दी ही बिक जाती हैं। एक भी मौका नहीं छोड़ना है अपनी चीज को खरीदने का। साथ ही साथ आपको एक चीज बता देता हूँ, Amazon सेल एंड बिग बिलियन डेज के सारे टेक अपडेट्स कब लेने हैं और कितनी जल्दी लेने हैं, कितने प्राइसिंग में लेने हैं, सब मिलेगा आपको IT वॉइस के साथ। टिल देन फॉलो IT शॉर्ट्स फॉर मोर। मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में। और